Hey guys, welcome to AI Video Studio YT once again. So guys, throughout the years, we have seen a lot of AI platforms come up, especially those with text-generatable prompts and also those with image-generatable prompts. But yesterday, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, I don't think yesterday, but on the 15th of February, that was 2 days ago, he released a new product on the market that creates AI-generated videos. And just to show you guys how good these videos are, let's take a look at this video of a petri dish with a bamboo forest growing within it that has tiny red pandas running around. And then from the onset of the video, just looking at the video, you can see that it was generated completely accurately. You can see the petri dish at the left side of the video, and then you can see the bamboo in the middle of the petri dish, and you can see the tiny red pandas moving around, and you can see how the pandas interact with the environment. Their tiny paws are touching directly on the table, and you can see the ones on the water. You can see the movement of the water as their tiny little feet are touching the water, and you can see the background, conical flasks in the background. And then you can see the panda that stays on top of the tree. It kind of has these effects where the leaves are moving around in response to the panda's movement. And this is not like a video you're going to see regularly on the internet. It was a video that was generated from scratch with the prompt. Now, how do you create prompts like this by yourself to generate these videos? The answer is, when I checked out mashuwu.com, which is a very reputable tech blog, the answer to the question is you cannot yet, because while Sora has been publicly announced, it's still in its red-seeming phase, and this basically means that Sora is being tested to make sure it does not produce harmful or inappropriate content. But if you want to drop prompts and get video, or you want to get visuals for your prompt, there's only one way you can do that right now. You can do that on x.com, that's Twitter. And once you come to x.com, all you have to do is go to Sam Altman, that was the CEO of OpenAI. You're just going to go to his page. And then once you get to his page, he dropped a tweet talking about how you can drop prompts in the comments section. And he personally is going to be generating these prompts. So I'm going to be going to his page. You can see this right there. It says, "We'd like to show you what Sora can do. Please reply with captions for videos you'd like to see and we'll start making some." And he replied back, "We don't hold back on the detail or difficulty." And then you can see this prompt right here that says, "A instructional cooking section for all made gnocchi hosted by a grandmother social media influencer set in a rustic Tuscan country kitchen with cinema lighting." Now this is like a very simple prompt, but is also kind of detailed, and let's check out what the AI generated. So now guys, you can see what the AI generated right here. It is a 9-second clip with a small size of 407 KB, and then you can see the video right here. You can see how clear the video is, and I feel like when this is launched, it's going to have different resolutions that you can download these videos in. You can see this one is, I feel like kind of a little bit blurry, maybe because it was posted on X. But then you'll probably be able to download videos in 4K, and then I've seen a lot of prompts where they use cinematic camera angles to create the video. Like this video right here where there is a white vintage SUV moving on the roadside, and you can see how the tires of the SUV kind of blends in with the road. It's not as if it's floating, it's like an actual real video, and it looks like a drone is following SUV around, and then you can see how the tire interacts with the ground with the dust moving around, and you can see the particles of dust moving around in this very real manner, almost indistinguishable from an actual camera footage. So guys, that's basically how you can create your prompts right now. You can go to the tweets on the tweet, and then your prompt has a high chance of being generated. So guys, that's all for the video. I hope the video was very helpful to you guys. As I'm getting more updates on the new Sora AI, I'm going to be making more videos on that. So if you want to stay updated on that, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when a new video is uploaded on this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.